As a personal chef and a live-in granddaughter, I try to make dinner for my grandma as frequently as possible. Tonight, I made an appetizer of shishito peppers, a roasted cauliflower on top of a bed of leeks and hummus, and then there was also some chicken shawarma that I did not picture. For me, cooking for my grandmother is a way I show my love, and my appreciation for allowing me to be with her during this time of my life. Like many people my age, I moved home. The circumstances weren't great, and I needed a fresh start. I'm lucky enough to have a really good relationship with my grandma, and we spend quite a bit of time together. But when it's time to cook, she gives me the kitchen all to myself. I've been told I can be quite bossy in the kitchen. I remember I first tried something similar to this dish while I was out in LA. I had gone to dinner with a good friend of mine, Laura, and we ordered this cauliflower and hummus, and she's obsessed with hummus, so it was right up both of our alleys. It was impeccable, and when I tell you I had to ask the waitress how they made it, she said they put it in a brine. I later found out it was possible to brine vegetables. I don't know why I didn't know this prior. For this cauliflower dish specifically, I brine it in a base of pickle juice and the chili juice. I then mix together olive oil and some curry ingredients, salt, pepper, and then paint each cauliflower cube as if you were painting a steak. Bake at 400 and then again at 420 to get it extra crispy. While the cauliflower is cooking, I chop up the leeks and saute those in the same flavors that you did the cauliflower, except just really light. Then I add those right into the oven with the cauliflower and they all roast together. I've always wondered how other people learned to cook and how they came into their passion. For me, my family wasn't always the best at cooking, and I didn't grow up with cable, so it was either watching PBS or the Cooking Channel. Turns out the Cooking Channel was a lot more interesting for me. Even as I've gotten older, cooking is always my safe place. It's my way of bringing people together and showing that I honor them and I love them. Every year with my friends, we would do a Friendsgiving, just getting everyone together for an opportunity to host and show the love that comes with having a good meal. Anyway, after the cauliflower comes out and the leek come out, you just kind of assemble your ingredients all on top of each other.